global trends in renewable energy are available. The Subsea Power Hub is scheduled for testing at EMEC. Construction at a Zambian small hydropower project resumes. And 4 hydropower executives will be keynote speakers for HydroVision International 2017. Welcome to this week's edition of the Worldwide Hydro Headlines. I'm Gregory B. Poindexter, Associate Editor for Hydro Review. The recently released Global Trends in Renewable Energy Investment 2017 says $241.6 billion has been globally invested in 2016, and it brought about 138.5 gigawatts of new renewable power capacity, excluding large hydro. Specific to hydro, the report indicates new investment in small hydro held steady at $3.5 billion, and marine energy dropped 7% to $194 million. To read the entire report, click on the link embedded in the article at hydroworld.com. East Coast Oil and Gas Engineering Limited has signed an agreement to test its Subsea Power Hub at the European Marine Energy Center's Shepsney Sound test site, with installation to take place this month. According to ECOG, the device is an industry first in that the system combines a marine energy converter coupled directly to a lithium-based energy storage system. The tests are designed to validate the device's technical capabilities. Construction of Zambia's 620 kilowatt Keynote micro hydropower project is set to resume this month after a 6-month-long hiatus, this according to Zambia's Rural Electrification Authority. In November, work in Keynote was suspended due to heavy rain. Now, REA said work on the project's canal, 4-meter-high dam, powerhouse, and other infrastructure will continue with the goal of completing the plant by the end of this year. The small hydroelectric facility is located at Keynote Falls on the Keynote River in Africa.
The keynote session really kicks off 3 exciting days of education and networking at HydroVision International, and I highly recommend everyone attend. This year's keynote session, the afternoon of June 27th, I think, will be particularly relevant and engaging. I am excited to announce that we have 4 executives speaking whose points of view run the gamut of the hydropower industry: municipal utility, independent power producer, investor-owned utility, and federal producer. Our keynote speakers for HydroVision International are Brian Good, Chief Administrative Officer of Denver Water, a municipal utility that provides water to 1.4 million people in Denver and the surrounding suburbs and operates 7 hydro plants at its existing reservoirs. Christina Johnson, Chief Executive Officer of Cube Hydro, an independent power producer that owns 15 hydroelectric facilities in New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia, and is in the process of building 3 more. Bob Rowe, President and Chief Executive Officer of Northwestern Corporation, an investor-owned utility that was founded in 1923 and owns and operates 11 hydroelectric facilities with a total capacity of 633 megawatts. And Lieutenant General Todd Semonite, Chief of Engineers and Commanding General of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, which is the largest owner and operator of hydroelectric plants in the U.S., with total installed capacity of more than 20,000 megawatts. For more information about the world's largest hydropower event or to register, visit hydroevent.com.
Well, that's it for this week's edition of the Worldwide Hydro Headlines, brought to you by Hydro Consulting and Maintenance Services. Make sure you check us out on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, and remember, we deliver hydro information at high capacity.